Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Use 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones and 4 to 6 quarts of cold water. Place bones in a large stock pot and cover completely with water. Add 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 onion halved, 2 bay leaves, 5 peppercorns, and 1 tablespoon salt. The cold start method pulls collagen and flavor from the bones slowly and evenly. Bring pot slowly to the first sign of a simmer over medium heat. Do not boil rapidly to avoid cloudy stock. Reduce heat to maintain a gentle simmer and cook for 4 to 6 hours. Keep the surface barely moving with small bubbles and low steam. Skim foam and gray, scum every 15 to 30 minutes using a fine skimmer or spoon. Do not stir aggressively as that will cloud the stock and break up solids. After simmering, remove large solids with tongs and pour stock through a fine mesh strainer. For extra clarity, strain again through a cheesecloth-lined strainer and discard solids. Cool the strained stock quickly by placing the pot in an ice bath for 20 to 30 minutes. Transfer cooled stock to shallow containers and refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze for up to 6 months. After chilling, a solid fat layer will form on top. Remove it with a spoon for leaner stock. Alternatively, use a fat separator to pour clear stock from below. Reduce stock by simmering to concentrate flavor for sauces, or freeze in 1 to 2 cup portions for easy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.